Hello everyone and welcome to the Excel Hub. In this video I'll show you how to create dynamic charts by formatting data sources as tables. This is arguably the easier method of making dynamic charts, as it doesn't require the use of the offset function to create named ranges. Dynamic charts are useful when we want a chart to adjust automatically based on changes in the size of the table array. In other words, if we extend this table array to the year 2020, the dynamic charts here adjusts automatically. This is because instead of considering cells B4 to C25, the chart now considers cells B4 to C27. So let me show you how you can create a dynamic chart like this one here. To start, we're going to insert a chart to show our sales over time. To do this, let's select the table array, enter the Insert tab, select the Scatter Charts icon, and then select More Scatter Charts. We're going to select the fourth option over here. As you can see, our scatter chart nicely shows the sales over time. However, when we extend this table array to show 2 more years, the chart doesn't adjust. To make it adjust the range it considers, we can format our data source as a table. To do this, select the data source, enter the Insert tab, click Table, and click OK. Next, right-click on the chart and click Select Data. As you can see, the chart is still selecting the old range. So let's delete this and select the whole table. Now, when we extend the table array to the year 2021, the chart updates the range it considers. At the same time, if we delete 2 rows, then the chart also updates accordingly. So that's how you can create a dynamic chart by formatting the data source as a table. This method is much easier and less time consuming than the offset method. However, it has the disadvantage of requiring the data source to be formatted as a table, which you may not want to do. This method is also less flexible when using horizontal data arrays. Therefore, if you'd like to find out more about the offset method, then see the video I've added in the description below where I explain how to use this method. As always, please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.